Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is very important and today is gonna be very fun because today we have a presentation. We have to submit a project proposal and as well as we've got fun fair. Yes, and that is not in this campus. Rather, we will be going to another campus of UMT. So I think it's gonna be really fun. I've never seen that campus in my life. So it will be my first time where I'll be exploring that. Yes, and I don't know what to expect, but still I'm excited. And the another thing is, actually what happens in fun fair, what I have listened so far is that stalls will be there, food stalls and other stalls. There will be mashaira. What is mashaira? Mashaira basically poetry, and there will be also prize distribution ceremony over there because before this week was the sports week, and so students will be getting awards, especially the winners. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. And you can see I am ready, and right now I am in the library of my university and it's very hot, so I am sitting at front of this little fan. Yeah, so stay tuned and let's go. So at first I have a class, so let's go to class in reverse mode. Filming is not allowed in class, so I'm filming secretly. It's getting very hot in summer, so the university students have decided to go on a strike. So right now I'm going to strike and let's see what happens. You see, students are gathering. It's getting very hot in university and no AC and fans aren't working in the class, literally. And now the students have decided to go on a strike and I'm also here for the strike. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but we'll see. And before that I was in my class and we have received the break of 30 minutes. The class was very boring and yes, now I am enjoying this. This is the only thing that works in here and that is present in the admin office, so that people whenever they would come here for the admission, they can just fake it up and people will think that the university is very cool and very good, but actually it is not. That is the truth. There are the students striking and I also came for the strike, but I am enjoying AC in the admin office. Now I am moving back to class and now it's time for the presentations. Let's see what I don't have any friend in that campus. So my friends were there whom we were about to meet. They were late, so we decided to go for the admin block. This is the admin block and it was quite cool. Yes, it was such a feeling of peace when we entered it. It was very cold outside and now we have come to the admin block for some air. Here is the outfit. students who were singing. So you see, talent is not less in Sialkotis as well. What I have encountered here, I did not expect that. We found singers here, and now songs are played outside and everybody is enjoying that. And this is a signal that the function is about to begin, and let's go. And this is the second slush of my day. It's very hot and very hot. Thankfully I have found one class which is cold enough, and now we are here. Oh my gosh. My friend has just bought me these gajras. It's very hot outside, and after finding this class where there are fans, literally it looks like heaven. It's so cool in here, it's so best. When I came, there weren't a lot of people, but as you see now, at back of me, there are so many people, and it is well arranged. Actually, it is my first function which I have attended at UMT, and I think the function has started.
Homemade jewelry. Discover unique and
Right now, it is actually it is the award distribution ceremony, and there are so many stalls around. I have shown you guys. I think I've lost my friend.
biryani.
Look at people. They are now introducing how many stalls are there and what we can find on these stalls. You see a lot of people.
Experience the burst of flavors with crispy Golgappa.
I hope you will enjoy this vlog. This is my second vlog, and I am not very social person.
Game on. Engage in fun and exciting game. Margarita. Enjoy very
I'm not very social person, so I don't usually vlog that much. So I have not taken my face in, but I am trying my best to be a good vlogger, so I can show you around. So let's go. I have been wearing these tops since morning, and now I am so tired, and now my ears are hurting and itching. So now I am going to get back into my normal position and gonna be taking them off. There are a lot of people here. I have shown you around. And there are also so many stalls. You know how much late is that? The function was about to begin at 2, and now it is actually 5, and the function has not started yet. Even the prizes are not distributed yet. They are just introducing the people who have arranged that. Even prizes are still to be distributed to the heads over here. So that's it. And it's so hard. I just want to drink. My friend is again and again asking me for eating golgappas and going to other stalls, but I don't want to. Literally, the functions in summer are just go into drinking and just watching around and going for the rooms which have AC and fans. That was so far, but I'll be telling you and I will show you. Actually, singing is now going to happen here. Singers are there and guests are sitting over there. And let's go. Third drink of my day. Me and my friend go out, watch, see around, drink something, and then come back into this beautiful heaven because there are so many fans. We cannot even sit outside. I think this is not fair. We should be given seats, and I'm so tired. Tomorrow I have another presentation, and I don't know who's gonna be giving that. I'm very excited for this competition. Look at it. They are gonna be doing push-ups.
फाइनल कंपटीशन में सब क्लियर हो जाएगा. So cheer up guys for these guys.
Literally, I had to stand for so long. I was tired, so were the girls. They were sitting down on the garden. Well, it was also not a garden because it was full of soil. Greenery was less in there. So if you ever attend a fun fair, you must remember that you are gonna be standing there and you must be prepared for that.
So be ready. Now start. 1, 2, 3 and go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 8. Come on, come on. Nice balls you can do it.
Just listen to the song behind. It's so funny.
Say yes. Cheer, guys. जो आगे तक बचेंगे स्टूडेंट्स को उन्हीं का कंपटीशन होगा करना है. Say yes. And a second is winner is Aslan Rajiv.
करके देखते हैं. सुना है बोले तो बातों से फूल झड़ते हैं. ये बात है तो चलो बात करके देखते हैं. Now we have a girl among us who has written a poetry and I'd like to invite her. So please cheer up guys.
Nobody is selling simple water. Finally, we have found one, and it's cold. Alhamdulillah. Otherwise, we have been drinking slush, 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 and it's my 4th bottle now. And now we have ordered something to eat. At such events, usually we do not want to eat anything because our focus is on there. But my dear friend wanted to eat something special at such an important event. So yes, we have ordered.
अरे इसको अंग्रेजी का दिया निकालने और दिया दंग करता है वो मुन्ना घर पे जाके निकाले. अब देखो यार पापा ने बोला पता नहीं कैसा बोला होगा ठंडी गुस्से कर मारता होगा लेकिन फिर भी जाके फॉलो लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करने का और हाँ फनी फनी कमेंट करने का. इससे दौरान भाई लोग और बच्ची लोग ही गैस जो दे रहा है हो गए अब चलता है. अच्छा एक बात मेरे को बता दो यहाँ पे प्रोग्रामर लोग कितना बैठे हैं. प्रोग्रामर लोग बात कर रहे हैं मेरा मुन्ना माशाल्लाह अपन लोग बैठे हो यार. हेड कॉल को नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. अब ये अब आपको आएगा थोड़ी देर बाद मजा. थोड़ी देर पता नहीं कितनी देर.
enjoy. Like it wasn't very bad. People are enjoying their best to help us enjoy the festival, and even still you can see they are singing over there, trying their best to amuse us. And there's so much crowd over there. And if I'm gonna be really honest, what was the timing that we have to come at 2 o'clock, and this was gonna be ending at 8 to 9, okay? And right now the time is 6:31, and still they are all singing. The Mushaira will start at 7, and now I'm planning to go back home. I wish I could show you Mushaira too, but I'm not gonna be lying. But the thing is, I was here for Mushaira because of my friend, because she wanted to listen. I'm not the one who's very interested in Mushairas or poetry, or who is very fond of them. I'm literally not. I'm a simple person who likes simple things, simple lines that I can understand. Yes, and I tried my best, and I think it went well. Yes, it went well. I was brave enough to do vlogging, and still I am filming that at front of people. Over there's a lot of crowd. I tried best. You can see, maybe it's not because of the sun. It's quite good. It's getting down. And a lot of teachers also brought their children here so they could enjoy, and it was hot, but it went well. Lastly, me and my friend tried our best to do this trend. I don't know if we passed, just tell us in comment section. So the result is, it's never about the event, it's never about anything, and it's always about people, it's always about friends, it's always about relationships. I have been to many events, you guys go to many events, but we guys only enjoy those events where there are our loved ones. This event was made very beautiful by my beautiful friends. I came here because I found my friends. We enjoyed together, we ate together, I forgot English. We roamed around and we explored the entire campus. It was my first time here in this campus, but Alhamdulillah it went well. I listened a lot about the campus, about people, but let me be very honest, people are good when you are good. If you are around those people who are not good, for sure nothing's gonna be good. But that's all. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog, and that's all from my side. Bye bye.